Today we are going to learn how to set up an OpenCV project in just 20 minutes. Yes, I'm talking about 20 minutes. By the end, you will have a working environment ready for computer vision projects. No stress, no confusion. Step 1. Install Python. Most computers already have it, but if you don't, go to python.org and download the latest version. Make sure to check the box that says add Python to path. This avoids a lot of headaches later. Step 2. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type python dash dash version to confirm Python is installed. Then check PIP by typing PIP dash dash version. If both work, you are ready to go. Step 3. Install OpenCV in the terminal. Type pip install OpenCV-Python. For extra features, type pip install OpenCV-contrib-Python. This gives you all the modules needed for advanced projects. Step 4. Set up a project folder. Name it something like My OpenCV project. Inside, create a Python file, for example main.py. This will be your main script. Step 5. Test OpenCV. Open your Python file and type import cv2. Then type print open bracket cv2 dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore close bracket. Run it. If you see a version number, congratulations, OpenCV is ready. Step 6. Optional but helpful. Install additional libraries like NumPy for numerical calculations and matplotlib for plotting images. In the terminal, type pip install numpy and pip install matplotlib. Step 7. Organize your media. Create subfolders for images, videos, or data sets you plan to use. This keeps your project tidy and avoids messy imports. Let's make this quite fun and interactive. Imagine you are racing against the clock. Each step takes a few minutes. By the time the 20 minutes are over, your project folder looks professional, your Python on file runs without errors, and your computer is ready for face detection, object tracking, or gesture recognition. Finally, version control. If you are serious, institutionalize a repository in your project folder. This helps you track changes, revert mistakes, and share your code with other. A little effort now saves hours later. So in 20 minutes, you have installed Python, installed OpenCV, created a project folder, tested your setup, added libraries, organized your media, and even set up version control. You are ready to start building amazing computer vision projects. And that's how you set up an OpenCV project in 20 minutes. Quick, clean, and ready for action.